Hello and welcome, Nate from Userlytics here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create annotations and individual video clips and also highlight reels, which are multiple clips in the same link. Let's go ahead and jump in. First, we're just going to go into the study that we want and actually go into an individual result. This is how we create individual annotations. So I'm going to select the annotations bar. I can also do this on widescreen if I'd like to, but for the sake, I'm going to go ahead and do it like this. Okay, now first we're going to fill out the information. So I'll go ahead and put test, and we'll go ahead and add some notes here. Notes are not mandatory. Important to note that the title can be overlaid in the individual annotation clip if I would like. So make sure that you add some different notes that might be useful to overlay on your video if you want to overlay, but no need to put essays as annotation titles. Okay, next you can use tags. Now you can use multiple tags. It will save ones that you've used previously. You can use as many as you'd like. Just note that the tags are how you're going to create the highlight reels. So any 2, 3, 4, or as many number of annotations as you want in the same highlight reel, you need to use the same tag in order for those to be able to be combined together. All right, set the start and end time. I'll go ahead and put this at 5 seconds all the way up to 10 seconds. So I have a 5-second clip here now. Again, as you go through and watch the video, this will automatically track where you're at so that you can quickly just press the set or set start or the set end button to automatically put those times in so you don't have to type out the time. Go ahead and hit save, and that's going to then push my annotation down here. I have a couple of different examples. Now, first, you're going to need to create the clip. If you're using an annotation for video, you're going to need to create the clip first. If you're just using it for a timestamp note, no need to create the video. You can just select the timestamp that you want to jump to. And if you need to, you can always come in here and edit and add more notes later. Okay, great. But let's say that we have gone and created a clip. You'll get an email when the clip is finished and ready, and then you'll see the ability to create copy link or to download the video clip as an MP4. So I've gone ahead and copied the link. I'm going to go ahead and open that link now. Now, just remember that you can share this with anyone. They don't need to have, let me quickly pause.
Find a doctor.
You don't need to have someone have a Userlytics account in order for them to view this video clip. It's just hosted on AWS. Anyone can join. Now, going back to the beginning of the video, you can see that the participant actually, you can have the annotation title overlay the video. You can kind of see it a little bit here, but that is how that would work if you did it that way. So great, let's go ahead and jump out of here. That is just how you share out that URL. Okay, that's simply all you need to do in order to create an annotation. Again, it will overlay the play bar down here, and you can quickly jump to specific ones as needed. Now, in order to do a highlight reel, what you need to do is I actually need to go into the individual project that the study was under. That's the My First Team project. I have it opened up here. That's where you'll then see the highlight reels bar, which you can then create a highlight reel from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select create highlight reel, and that's going to open up this menu. Let's go ahead and put a text in here, description if needed. And there are 2 ways that you can create a highlight reel. I'll be going through both. First, we can do it by tag, which is what I've already mentioned. You're going to use the tags that are already in the individual annotations. You'll select the tag that you want. Let's go ahead and do homepage. Great. I can superimpose those annotation titles on the bottom of the videos like we showed you. I do like that, so I'm going to leave that checked. And let's go ahead and press next. Now I have the ability to create the highlight reel here. What I'll do is I'll drag over the annotations that I do want and continue to do so. And that is going to create my video clip. Now, let's say I want to control which ones go first and second. I can just move those as needed. You can select to see a little more information about what that annotation actually is. Great. If I want to, I can filter by individual study, or I can search by a title, description, or created by. So again, lots of different things you can do here. Grab those, add those in as needed. All right, from there I would click next, and that's basically going to create my annotation. I don't really need to do that right now. I'm going to actually go back and show you the other way that you can create a highlight reel. By activity is a separate way where basically we're going to take all of the participants in the study, and on an individual task, we're going to automatically create annotations for you in the system automatically. That's going to then create your highlight reel. So first I'm going to select the study. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Aetna, but I'm going to choose my 3.0. Great, now I select next, and again, I'm gonna choose the activity I want. You can only choose one activity, so select the one that you want and go ahead and hit next, and what it's gonna do is without you needing to create the individual annotations, it's just gonna create them automatically for all the participants for any amount of time that they were on task number 6. Go ahead and select next, and then go ahead and process. There we go, now it's being processed. I'll receive an email once it's ready to go. That's how you create individual annotations and individual highlight reels. If you have any questions, reach out to your Userlytics representative.